Hey guys, I'm Shawn with webpianoteacher.com. How you doing? Today we're doing one of my favorites by the Goo Goo Dolls. Name, playing the guitar on the piano. It works. It so works, doesn't it? Fun. All right, guys. Webpianoteacher.com. I have thousands of lessons on there. If you're a beginner, advanced player, there's a lifetime of music learning on there. Find some songs you like and get to learning. I use the whiteboard method here that I invented many years ago for people who couldn't read music or they didn't want to read it, and it worked for them and still works for people today, so maybe it'll work for you. So let's get going here. A and E on the left hand. And I did transcribe a guitar part here, and it works so well on piano. In fact, if you have an electronic piano and you use a 12 string with chorus, it'll sound really cool. 12 string with chorus. You should try that. All right, so A and E on the left, right hand A and E as well. So left hand's first, then right hand A and E together, left hand E, right hand A, left hand A, right hand E. So it's all right here. Look, A and E in both hands. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and hold the pedal down. 1, 2, and 3, and there you go. So we have. If you'll accent the first thing and accent the E on the right hand, you'll have bum. It'll sound like the guitar. Bum, bum. There we go. And guys, if this lesson is too advanced, you need some beginner stuff, I have lots of beginner lessons on the website to help you get started, help you get used to my method, because it kind of more of a by ear approach. People that are visual want to see chord pictures and that kind of thing. It works for those people. G sharp E. Not to mention, I try to do a very good arrangement, so it'll work on piano. Those unsatisfying music sheets that you work hard on, then they don't sound like the song. I like it to sound like the song. G sharp E, 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 so left, right, and then right hand A, left hand goes back to A, E, and then an E in the right hand. Make sure you change the pedal there. That'll fight with that G sharp if you don't. So you pedal here and pedal right there. 1. And there is a little weight in there. 1, 2, and wait. Little thing we gotta hold. 3. I'll count 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now the next one's pretty cool. Hear that bass guitar, the bass strings on the guitar, not the bass guitar. So we have a D. Now you can either play this with your right hand. I like to let the left hand play the E, so I can reach it. If you can't reach it, you might want to let the right hand do it. I don't know. You have to be your own guide there. All right, so we have A, E still on the right hand. And then 3 E's on the left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So there is a weight on that D. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, from the beginning, go. And accent those E's on the top. When you're picking that guitar, that E string is just doo, doo, right there, and you just accent it. So you accent that pinky finger on your right hand. F sharp in the left hand. And then you'll have E in the left, A in the right. E, there's that E again. We want to accent left hand, low E, and then 4 and. Okay? From the beginning. And go. 1. And I love the next part. Okay, so we transcribe that and teach it on the site as well as the rest of it. Hey, I want to tell you also, I transcribed, just because I wanted to, the solo in there where the acoustic guitar is soloing and then the fiddle, the violin, is soloing. I put all that in the piano part and show you how to do it on the website. You can download the sheet for this if you are a member, and it's just a lot of fun to sit down and work on a Saturday or Sunday and enjoy these old tunes and have fun with them. One more time. Here we go. 1. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that part 1 video. See you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.